Hello students, welcome back to the video. So we are solving financial accounting for BCom first semester, and it's a 2025 previous year question paper, and we are at the 5 marks section. So here is question number 14. Question number 14 is about the difference between performa invoice and account sales. The difference between performa invoice and account sales are: number one, performa invoice. It's a document which is called as a preliminary document and which is sent before the actual sale. It is more like a quotation, and whereas account sales, it is a detailed statement sent by a consignee to the consigner after the goods have been sold on their behalf. And the second difference is performa invoice is an estimate or it is a quotation, whereas the account sales is a full summary which has the actual sales, expenses, details, commissions, etc. Then the third difference is performa invoice is issued before the sale or shipment or delivery of the goods and service, whereas account sales is issued after the goods have been sold. Then for performa invoice, there is no legal binding. That is not legally binding. It is just an estimate. Whereas account sales, it is a legally binding document. It confirms that the sale has happened. Then for performa invoice, the no entry is made in the primary accounting books, whereas account sales, there is a proper entry made in the financial record. So these are the five differences between performa invoice and account sales. Then the next question, example question number 15, give examples of the expenses for the following ratio. Sales ratio. So this question is from departmental account. For sales ratio, the expenses are advertising expenses or selling expenses or salesman commission, like anything which is associated is say with sales is to be taken in the sales ratio. Then area occupied, rent, buildings, repairs, etc. These are for area occupied. Number of employees, salaries, general welfare expenses, contribution to PF, etc. Then purchase ratio, carriage inwards, octroi duties. So then number of light points, electricity. Okay, so this is the solution for this. Then we we are at the section C. Section C is for 10 marks. So in this there will be two theory questions. I'll be leaving the theory questions for you to study. I'll be just showing you the question and the solution. What is a single entry system? How would you proceed with the conversion of single entry system? Single entry system is an incomplete bookkeeping method often used by small businesses, focusing mainly on cash and personal accounts like debtors and creditors without consistently applying debit credits for all real or nominal accounts, making financial statements less reliable. That's why we should convert a single entry to double entry. Now how to convert it is simple. First, we have to prepare a statement of affairs. Statement of affairs is a statement which will be having both assets and liabilities on both the side, and the balancing figure which is found in that account will be the closing capital. Then the next account which is to be prepared is debtors account. It is prepared to find out either the closing balance of debtors or to find out the credit sales. Then we have to find creditors account. Creditors account is used to find the credit purchases or the closing creditors which is to be used in the balance sheet. Then we are supposed to prepare a trial balance. Then we are supposed to prepare a trading and profit and loss account, then a balance sheet, and thus you will convert a single entry to a double entry. I will leave it for you to study, so you can take a screenshot of it and then study it later. Then we will start with the 17th question. This is also a theory question. It's with the branch accounting. The question is like this: what do you mean by branch? What are the different kinds of branch that a head office open? Explain them briefly. So branch is a subordinate division or a unit of an organization that operates at a location away from head office. It is established to expand the business reach, improve customer service in different geographic areas. So this is the basic definition of a branch. Then the types of branches are dependent branches. The branches which are heavily controlled by the head office, they are called as dependent branches. They don't maintain a separate accounting books. They will have their accountings done by their head office only. Then the second type of branches, independent branches. They are not completely dependent on the head office. They operate on their own, and also they maintain their own records. Then foreign branches, branches of the head office, branches which are located in different countries or in different geographical nations, they are called as foreign branches. Then inland branches or domestic branches, branches which are in the same country or in the same geographical location, are called as domestic branches. So I'll be not explaining this much. You can easily go through it and understand. Okay, so this is the notes for the question, and in the next video I'll be solving all the uh, three questions, that is 18th, 19th and the 20th question, which are for 10 marks. Okay, so please watch the video. Thank you.